I ordered a bunch of things from dbrand and I just got the package. I am really excited to show you guys what's in it. Maybe a review of the look and feel also. As always, the packaging is insane. Super detailed. I really like. I don't feel like wanting to throw the package out. The mailing slip went here and then it says do not bend and then other stuff in other languages. I'm not going to pretend I know what these languages are, but I do know this one, it's Hindi. And the weird thing is it's not exactly right. It does mean don't bend, but literally translated it would mean do not bend over. So like a person don't bend over or don't kneel, something like that. So it says jhukna nahi, but it would actually be morna nahi, which means don't bend something physically like an object. Actually, I think we can fix it. Give me 1 second. Okay, I haven't brushed up on my Hindi in a while, so I'm gonna need this. That's better. Hopefully the other languages are correct. If you know, and if any of them are wrong or maybe all of them are right, let me know. So anyway, let's get to opening now. Ooh, look at that. That's the obsidian skin for an iPad. I don't have the iPad yet, it's yet to be delivered, but I do have something else I can show you. So that is the Carnage skin. I am a sucker for Spider-Man. I bought Spider-Man 2 first day of release on PS5. So I really wanted a skin to match it. I used to have a case, which was also from dbrand, I'll show you. So it's the Ghost case. They are going to send me a new one. They emailed about it that there's a V2 coming out. They're going to send it whenever it's ready. In the meanwhile, I decided against cases. So for now, I'm going to put this on camera. Before all of that, I also got skins for an Apple Pencil. I don't have the Apple Pencil yet also. So it's just going to be the phone skin. See, this is why I love dbrand. They do this fun stuff. So now that my product has arrived, they give me a couple options and they gently remind me that they know where I live. Hopefully that stays in place. Okay, iPad skins. I'm gonna put them aside. Same for the Apple Pencil skins. Oh, and the microfiber cloths. I really like the quality overall. I think I got one with the case also. I'm not really sure where it is. Yeah, it feels so good. You really gotta hold it to really appreciate how good it is. This is what we're going to put on. I am going to need the phone I'm recording from, so let's go. So it's best to just search it up on dbrand's website to see how to put it on. It's a step-by-step. I remember seeing it at some point. Okay, so you just go on the dbrand website. There's a YouTube video link.
If you just got your dbrand iPhone 15 skin, first, wipe your device free of dust and fingerprints.
I should probably wash my hands to make sure they're not oily. Give me 1 second.
First, wipe your device free of dust and fingerprints. For optimal results, ensure you are under bright lighting.
That we are.
You will require a hairdryer for this installation.
I'm not even sure where my hairdryer is.
Let's begin with the camera.
Okay, wait. First I gotta decide. Do I want to cover the edges? I should, but also I like the titanium feel. You know, I'm just gonna do the whole thing. Probably gonna look better. I don't think I'm gonna show the whole thing, but that took like a good 3-4 minutes.
To install the full coverage skin, skip ahead to the time shown on screen. You selected the full coverage skin. Align the skin.
Okay. I think about that much should be good.
Align the skin around the charging port and speaker cutouts.
Whew. This is where it gets tricky.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
any better than that. I honestly love the skin so much. It feels good. It basically feels like part of the phone. That's the point of a skin. You don't actually feel there's any weight added. Feels different, feels better, feels stuck. It's not perfectly put on, probably because of my fault, like it doesn't line up here and stuff. But it's okay. It does the job. It looks good. I won't even notice it for the most part. At some point, probably I'll get another skin and try to do a better job of it. And if it bothers me too much, I have a backup, which is great. dbrand gives you a backup. So that was fun. I'm going to try to put a picture of this in the community posts. And when I put it on the iPad finally, I might do a short or something like that, but probably just a picture in the community post for that also. I'm really excited to see how the Apple Pencil skin turns out. I'm actually very happy with this. Like, just get a proper look at it. So that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. PS out.